Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make healthy and delicious raw banana tikki, which you can enjoy as evening snacks or serve as a healthy veg starter in any parties, or you can even prepare this as a tiffin snack for your kids. So without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. So here I have taken 2 raw bananas which has been boiled, and now we need to peel off the skin. If you are not aware, raw bananas contain high levels of potassium that helps in lowering high blood pressure. They are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, which help to regulate blood glucose. Also, raw bananas play a significant role in aiding digestion and preventing stomach problems such as soothing ulcers. Alright, peeling off the skin is done. Next, take a bowl and into it we'll add the boiled raw bananas. Divide it into half, and with the help of our masher we will mash the boiled raw bananas. And along with this, I will add some boiled green peas as well and gently mash them. Next goes a small bowl of grated carrots. Adding different colorful veggies will make our tikki more healthy and delicious. Then goes some chopped onions, chopped fresh coriander, chopped ginger, around 1 teaspoon. For seasoning goes 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or zeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kali mirch or black pepper, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. I have added here Kashmiri red chilli powder, and around 1 teaspoon of oil. And now we will mix everything well so that all the ingredients are combined well with the raw banana. And to bind our tikkis, I'm going to add now 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan and a splash of water, and we will mix this well again. And this is also done. Now time to make tikkis. For that we will grease some oil on our hands and then take the mashed raw banana filling and give shape of tikkis by making balls and then gently pressing them. And in the same way I have prepared some more tikkis. Next, add around 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot we will add the tikkis one by one. I'm going to shallow fry the tikkis rather than deep fry, as I want to enjoy them in a healthy way. Keep the flame on medium, and after about 1 minute we will flip the tikkis and fry the other side as well till they turn golden brown in color. And by now our tikkis are fried golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and arrange them for serving. And friends, here goes our healthy and delicious raw banana tikkis on the serving plate. Enjoy them hot as tea time snacks or evening snacks with your favorite chutney or sauce or dip. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more healthy and delicious recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.